Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Phala Network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Phala Network is a decentralized cloud computing platform that provides verifiable private computation for Web3 and AI applications, acting as a secure execution layer. Solves the AI execution problem by enabling tamper-proof, unstoppable AI agents that can interact with blockchains. Uses hardware-level security via trusted execution environment (TEs) to keep code and data confidential. Offers a seamless cloud platform where developers can deploy off-chain programs called TEE contract without gas fees. Phala Network project institute rating is 4.5 and this project audited by Ceritic. Phala Network token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 839.12 million PHA token. PHA token is listed on Binance, OKX, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.